Well, that bagged 3 times now. A bit more sunnier this time, since last time I came here when it was halogen. Can't believe that barrow's broken again. Anyways, this is Langley Green level crossing in the West Midlands as well. And do not go correcting me, saying, oh, it's Greater Birmingham. The county name isn't called Greater Birmingham. There's absolutely no such county called Greater Birmingham. Like if you type Craigley Heath or Aldbury, which is where this crossing's nearby, it won't say Greater Birmingham, it will say West Midlands. Right. So we're not double staying again like last closure and the closure before. It's only that little bit here, and it just like seems to hit there and the road as well. Right. That protractor 6 broken off like Purton as well. Comes into 211.